Namaskar. Hope you're all fine, healthy and safe. Recently, I have been receiving several requests for making dance tutorial covers. So I thought, before doing that, there is one thing that needs to be taken into consideration, and that is the mudras. In Bharatanatyam dance, there are total 28 asanyukt mudra or single hand gestures. So this demonstration is based on the asanyukt mudra and its application.
Pataka. It can be used for showing flag, for showing the sky, for blessing sign and for denial. Tripataka. It is used for depicting thunder, for depicting trees and for the crown. Ardhapataka. It is used for depicting leaves and for a platform. Kartarimukha. It is used to portray the eyes and to show the separation. Mayura, as the name signifies, it is used to portray the peacock and the feather crown on Lord Krishna. Ardhachandra, it is used to signify the half moon and the throat. Adala, it is used to show the drinking sign and harsh wind. Sukhatunda, it is used to portray a parrot's head. Mushti, as the name signifies, it's used to represent the fist and the combating posture. Shikhara, it's used to represent the beak, and with the left hand it can be used to show the bow and the pillar. Kapitha, it is used to show goddess Lakshmi and depicting holding a flower. Katakamukham, it can be shown in two ways. It can be used for showing plucking of flowers and wearing ornaments. Suchi or the needle, it can be used to show the supreme soul. Chandrakala, it's used to portray the moon and the crescent of moon on Lord Shiva's head. Padma Kosha, it's used to signify the ball. Fruits, feeding oneself and cooking pot. Sharpa Shishya, as the name signifies, it's used to show the snake and the to and fro movement of a water body. Mrigashirsha, it is used to show a deer head, a small child, and when used with both the hands, it is used to portray the flute. Simhamukha, it is used to show the lion head or the rabbit. Kangula, it is used to show a bell. Alapadma, it is used to show a lotus flower, ask questions, and to show the wavy nature of the hair. Chatura, it is used to show things in very small quantity. Brahmara, as the name signifies, it's used to show a bee and how they suck the nectar from the flower. Hamsasya or the swan's head, it's used to show that you're listening to something or the light of the lamp. Hamsapakshya, it is used to show the swan's wings, and when used with both the hands, it is used to show a bridge. Samdamsha, it is used to show the twinkling of the stars or an open sore wound. Mukula, it depicts a flower bud or eating posture. Tamrachura, it is used to show a bird that is resting in its nest. Trishula, this can be used to depict the concept of Holy Trinity and can be used also as a weapon.
So these are the 28 asanyukt mudra used in Bharatanatyam dance. In my next demonstration, I will be showing you the Sanyukta Mudras or the double hand gestures. Thank you for watching.